Is your old email address making your Spotify account feel like a forgotten playlist? Let's ditch the outdated and quickly update your Spotify email address with these simple steps, ensuring you stay connected and secure. First, head over to the Spotify website on your computer, or open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. Once you are logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the website, or find the settings menu in the app. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a couple of options. Click on Account. This will take you to your account overview page. On the account page, find the Edit Profile button and give it a click. You'll now see your profile information, including your current email address. Click into the email address field to make edits. Type in your new, preferred email address. Double-check to make sure you entered it correctly. A typo here can lock you out of your account. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Profile button. This saves the changes you made. Spotify will send a verification email to your new address. Open that email and click the verification link inside to confirm the change. And that's it. Your email address is now updated on Spotify. Now you can enjoy uninterrupted tunes and peace of mind.